Tribune and I bend steel with my mind. Sorry.
Okay. I knew you should have had your own show the night that Dan Abrams didn't tell Pat Buchanan that he was wrong for telling that lady to shut up. I can't remember who it was, but he told someone. That's who it was. You're right.
Well, he might not have done it because I jumped in so fast and did it. Maybe he was about to.
Yeah.
You know.
And then there are the words post-rational. That's all time.
Well, post-rational, I just meant that if the point of what somebody is, if somebody's doing something in a way that isn't explained by anything they can argue, then don't try to change what they think by arguing with them. Because it's not a rational argument, it's a gut thing. And so you can't go reason against feeling. It's just feeling.
And how's the makeover coming? Are they making up things again at the New York Post?
They are making up things at the New York Post. Stop press. I know, it is shocking. Could you imagine if they really had sent a glam squad after me? Do you know how fast I can run?
The eyelashes. Are those all your eyelashes?
Go on, tug. Go on, tug.
Oh, tug.
See. They don't come off.
Let's see.
See, yeah. See. All right. Yeah. All right.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, see? They agree there. Sorry.
And Oberman, I'm upset he's not here. I also think he should have given you the Obama interview for your first show.
He should have given me that?
Yes.
I think that Senator Obama might have something to say about that.
They can't be that chummy. I mean, he could have said, "Oh, this is my buddy Rachel. I want to get, her first show."
I think Keith is doing just fine.
Oh, I think he's doing just fine. I think he's fine. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong.
All right.
Thank you.
You guys were in the niche of our lives.